How to install Linux Opera Browser is a full HD video in my new YouTube channel, Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials. Go down and left click on Menu. In search bar type Opera. So left click on Administration and on Software Manager. Up in search bar type Opera. Left click on Opera icon. Left click on Install. To keep the video short, this section is speeded up. When installed, left click on Launch and enter your password. Then click Unlock. There is some optional setting up to do. More on settings later. In top left corner, left click on red Opera icon. Go down and left click on Bookmarks. Then left click on Show Bookmarks bar. And again left click on red Opera logo. Left click on Bookmarks and on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Then left click on down arrow for Bookmarks HTML file. Then left click on the blue Choose File. I clicked on the HTML bookmarks file previously exported from Firefox, then I pressed on Select. Turn on Show Bookmarks bar if not already on and press Done. As you can see, I've added some bookmarks to the bookmarks bar and below on the home page. I replaced most ads with my own links. Left click on Opera icon, then go down and click on Settings. I recommend blocking ads and trackers. And for privacy, I changed the search engine from Google to DuckDuckGo. I selected Enable VPN for accessing some overseas websites and videos. I also subscribe to AI services, which can take a few days to activate. And I changed preferred language and spelling to English Australian. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to be notified when I upload how to import bookmarks to various browsers in Linux. Most people don't like being bombarded with annoying ads, so Opera suits us Linux lads. In description below are links to some of my previous Linux tutorials.